Tingnan natin kasi next dito, may isang laro pa rin. David, I think it's a mistake. He's supposed to be in the team. Kailangan rin manalo. Hindi, pasok finals ka agad o. Hindi, panalo kayo nun, baka kayo pa yung makasok. Natalo nyo kayo eh. Hindi, kahit pa.
Nice!
Pero point system pa rin mo. Hindi, kahit point system din, kung manalo sila next, wala na. Point system. Oo, kailangan nilang manalo kung natalo. Kasi di kita naman sa kung natalo kayo, kailangan nilang manalo ng 25 points.
Sila,
Oo, sa next.
sino yung next laban natin?
Shoot na yun, Akil.
Isa lang.
Kukunin yung pagkain. Henry, saan yung pagkain?
Pero kailangan manalo pa kayo. Ayun, sila yun.
Sila na kayo. Ngayon na pasok finals eh. CEO Season 5 to.
We are waiting for Francis to Lawrence. Lawrence to by Lawrence. Lawrence by Francis. Jason Devery, no good. To Mike, to Chris Samuel for 3 big. This 3 points assisted by Lou. Again to Raymond, to Francis Sanchez, 52 by Francis. Again, Wu, to Woody, to Hine to Jason, Jason to Chris with the ball, to Chris again for 3, no good, rebound by Chris for Colcos. No good by Colcos. Score is 5-4. Team moves up by 1 point. Raymond. Error to
Go!
extra life, basta bago. Kuya, ikikipan kayo. Sinabay, hanay, this, bago. First foul.
Black 12.
Eric. Eric, first personal foul. First team foul. Team fish. 6 minutes, 46 seconds. Please change for 15 points. Bukuha, Chris Taveras.
Flight mo ba sila? Hindi, kulang ko lang din. Kulang. Dalawa na. Ako, pito. Kulang din.
Nagulay Chris. Ibang timing 6 minutes 30 seconds. 8 words. Sebagai penting untuk Hai, oh, dear my Chris. Ray, ano?
Ay, di ba? Ayos sa first card. First.
Oh,
First and second pa lang ang isa. 15 minutes na para ako sa pero may maiwas ka na.
oh,
So, magsasubdule pa na.
okay. Untuk saya dulu. Time remaining 4 minutes 41 seconds in first quarter. Again, Chris first. Again by Chris. Rebound by Francis. Raymond for three, no good. Rebound by Han. Right ball. Team Wolves ball. Francis. First personal foul. Second team foul. Oh, still like this again.
I saw you holding it.
Francis is the ball. Chris, good for two, Chris. What a move. What a move. Lay out. Chris Taveras. Chris is the ball. Jason, Raymond, Francis. Jason, good for two. Chris Taveras. assist by Henry.
Nakita ko yung mga order, late na ako kumorder.
Score is 28, 2.8 by Team Moon. Francis for 3, no good. Rebound by Chris. Foul, Eric. Thirteen foul. Time remaining 45 seconds. Time remaining first quarter. Again, Francis for 3 game. 3 points by Francis. King's favor. 35 seconds. Time remaining 25 seconds. Jason.
Future star, right here. Future star.
Golden for 3, no good. Jason, the Chris. 5 seconds. Woo! Whoa!
Ano pa lang naman dyan? So this is the fourth game, right? Yeah. Fourth game? Yeah. Bawat isang bracket, isa lang. Some money in the game, I'll give you money. Yeah, what ganyan lang, easy na ulit lamag, right?
Repair natin. Second half?
Yeah, second half. No, second quarter.
Second quarter.
Yes, the leaders in the ball. Louis here. To Brian for 3.
Oh, I get you.
Good for 3. Good. Again, Brian for 3. Good.
Hey, where's the other team from? What area are the teams from?
All over here, North Cal. North Cal.
Joseph, the franchise for 3, no good. Romeo jump shot. No good. No good again, Brian.
Hey, is this all Filipino brother leagues? I saw Lee, I said, man, is it Filipino Chinese or what? You know, Filipino Chinese.
I don't know yet.
I don't know. I was like, not the mama.
Time remaining 7 minutes 45 seconds. The second quarter. Well. One more. Score is 13-11. 2-point lead by Big Blue. Brian with Joe. Joe, jump shot. No good. And Joseph for three. No good. Rebound by Miami. Good foul. Aaron, first personal foul. Yeah, 14 foul. 14 foul in the pitch for that team. Score is 13-11. So, 2-point lead by Houston. It's 1-9.
Stop na nga lang. Ay,
Romeo to Ryan.
What score you have? 91?
14-11.
14-91. Didn't get a free throw?
I know, 15-11.
Yeah, 15.
15-11. Yeah. Yeah, there are 2 people to Aaron Holiday.
You said post him high, and I'm like, nobody posts him high. Right up here. Like, I know this area, so I'm not.
15-12. Ryan. Good. Oh, out the field.
Where you take it?
50 fouls, 2 free throws. Books from Gianni. Free throws for Books. Free throws for Books. Then to Ryan. To Joseph. Joseph. To Aaron for three. Ryan. To Lincoln. To Woods. Woods for three. Salam. Please. One more time out for this week. The first half.
Ilang game pa ba? After this one, isa na lang. Tayo na lang kaya last. Oh, di pa. May dalawa pa. Tayo din. Sila Wood, may sila championship. Kailangan nyo manalo para masok kayo championship. Nagsa kami kung din ako eh. Ano man tumawa yun? Ha? Hindi. Foul. Who's foul?
Woods.
See, even he put his hand up.
First personal foul, Woods. He got three fouls.
I got pushed in the head, that's what I'm saying. Great wrestling, right?
Oo, butang ito. Labay ito na niya, abay.
Ito one,
Umalis muna ako. Ano bang time na upang ito? Walang time. Walang time. Ita-drop sa sasakyan. Tapos pipick upin ko yung ano, dahil natin uwi. Let's go! Third corner. Hindi ka na makalaro pala. Manalo kami, hindi na ako makalaro. Pag-ibig ka kanina kasi marami. Ha? Yeah, it's okay. It's another half. It's another half.
Is this second half?
Yeah, second half. It's only second half. It's okay. It's only second half. It's third quarter.
good. Jason Bibbitt. Jason, first personal foul. Good Raymond. Raymond to foul. Raymond. Francis. For two by Francis. 2 points by Francis. Assist by Raymond. Again, 19-17. 2 points only.
Stop the ball! Stop the ball!
Oh, what a pass!
Stop the ball! Stop the ball!
Assist by Chris. Raymond. Raymond, go again. Oh, good for two. Assist by Raymond. 23-17. 6-20 by TU. Nag-go by Marcos. ECG pa lang kayo. Aaron, second personal foul. Aaron Howard, second personal foul. Moore shooting for 2 free throws.
Sino matalo dito? Kalaban namin? Sige ang pag-ulo. After dito, di pa yata kayo, sila pa. Last pa lang kayo. Last game pa lang. Well, yung kalaban. May iba pang
Again, rebound, Chris. Francis for 3, over again. Rebound by Jason. For 2, Chris Savio. Blocked by Chris. Foul.